Okay, so we are going to see about Li-Fi. Li-Fi is light fidelity. Okay, you see here, Li-Fi is light fidelity is a transmission of data through illumination. That is sending data through an LED light bulb, which is that varies in intensity faster than a human eye can follow. So my professors used to say that days would come when you sit under a tube light and you can send and receive data and you can browse internet. So that is going to be Li-Fi. So you are sitting under a bulb, LED bulb, and that LED bulb is going to constantly be connected to the internet. And the LED bulb will have a you will have a receiver in your device, and it will receive the light from the LED. It will decode it, and you can see what you are able to receive from the LED bulb. So it is just like, I think, a one-way communication. Two-way communication is not possible. So data is transmitted through light. So you sit under an LED bulb, you see a photo detector which will convert the light into electrical signals, and then the received data is processed and it can be seen in your computer, okay, or a mobile device. So instead of radio waves in wire as it is used in wireless communication, here I am going to use light for transmitting data. So this technology began in the year 1919 in countries like Germany, Korea, and Japan, where they discovered LEDs could be retrofitted to send information. So normal LEDs will give you the required brightness, but these things are they found that these LEDs can be modified such a way that they can be used to send information. So in 2012, he did the demonstration. The Li-Fi product consists of three assemblies. One is an emitter, next one is an RF driver and power supply. So emitter is going to be the LED portion of it, which is going to emit light, and the driver will supply. Driver is connected between the power supply and the emitter, and power supply is used for operating of the Li-Fi. So at the heart of Li-Fi is a bulb subassembly where a seated bulb is embedded to the dielectric material. So dielectric material will serve two purposes. One, it will act like a wave and will provide the required amount of electric field. So now you see here, you have an emitter assembly, you have a driver and a power supply. As I told, this driver is between the power supply and the emitter assembly. The power amplifier that uses an LDMOS device, it converts electrical energy into RF power. The power amplifier is designed to generate required amount of power to drive the emitter. Okay, emitter will start emitting light. The operational procedure is very simple. If you transmit one, it is if you the LED is glowing means it is binary one. The LED is off means it is going to be binary zero. The LED can be switched off and switched on quickly, which gives nice opportunity for transmitting data. But we just have to vary the data at which the LED is flicker depending on the amount we want to encode. Thus, every light will work as a hub for data transmission. So LED, when the data transmission is very fast, the continuous glowing of LED and the flickering of LED will not be visible to the human eyes because it happens so quickly. Okay. Comparison, Wi-Fi speed is very high, Wi-Fi is also very high. Range, it is very low because you have to be in direct line of sight. Wi-Fi, it is medium. Data density is very high, but in Wi-Fi it is low. Security is very high. In Wi-Fi it is medium. Transmit and receive power is very high here. In Wi-Fi it is medium. Device-device connectivity is very high here, and Wi-Fi it is high. Reliability is medium. Wi-Fi also medium. Obstacle interference is very high. This is the only drawback you will have because you have to be straight sitting under the LED bulb. If there is any obstacle, if the LED light is not falling on the receiver, then the device will not work. Applications used for modern medical instruments. In aircraft, it can be used for data transmission because inside the aircraft, the distance to be transmitted is very, very minimal, right? So you can use that. Used in petroleum or chemical plants where transmission or other frequencies, radio waves, wherever you cannot transmit, you can use this Li-Fi for transmission. Li-Fi can communicate with LED lights of car. A number of accidents can be decreased. So you can use GPS location-based services, underwater communication, RF spectrum relief. So Wi-Fi can be effectively used in the places where it is difficult to lay the fiber optic cable. Okay, advantage, larger bandwidth, very high efficiency, availability, security is very high. So thousands of lamps can be converted into Wi-Fi hotspots. No license needed. Green and information technology, lighting points used as hotspots. The issues of shortage of radio frequency bandwidth can be sorted out using Wi-Fi. This technology can be used for every street lamp would be a free access point. Limitations, it does not work in the dark. So Wi-Fi has a drawback compared to Wi-Fi. You cannot move to other rooms unless they are wired bulbs too. So you cannot move within from room to room. The connectivity may be cut. Light cannot pass through objects, but your radio signals can pass through objects. So interference from external sources like sunlight, normal bulbs, and other things will cause interruption. High voltage cost, high installation cost. You'll have major challenges how the receiving device will transmit back to the transmitter. So LED is sending data. How will you communicate to the transmitter saying I received the data? That is the major challenge in your lifetime. Future development, efficient alternative radio-based wireless. It's an emerging technology which is quick and reliable. Airwaves are clogged, so let us use light waves. Proceed to light wave for a brighter, cheaper, and greener future. So it overcomes the limitations of radio spectrum. So 10 Gbps speed can be achieved. It can even be extended further. The technology can be put into practical use. Every bulb will work as a Wi-Fi hotspot. We will proceed towards a greener future. So it will solve other issues like radio frequency bandwidth, and it also allows internet, and Wi-Fi is enabled by advanced digital transmission.